I'm outside the Hotel Riu Palace in Tenerife, Costa Adeje, and I'm going to show you a wee walking tour. Now, the Riu Palace is a 5-star hotel, and this beach is Playa del Duque North, which I believe is Playa del Duque North. Further down the south end, you've got Playa del Duque, and if you're wondering what the difference between the two beaches is, the north one has the volcanic black sand, whereas the south side has the lighter sand. And you can see the Riu Palace Hotel, it's quite a big complex. Now, I spent one night in Costa Adeje, that's actually just outside, in Playa Paraiso at the Hard Rock Hotel Tenerife, which is another 5-star hotel. And I would say of all the hotels I've been to, that is the one that, wow, it's just it's an experience, it really is. You've got to check it out. When you walk in, it's like walking into a music video. So, we just walk down here, it's a wee coastal walk. We'll just take a wee walk down here. There's quite a rocky coastline here. Nice wee bridge. So there's lots of nice wee hotels. Costa Adeje is quite an upmarket place, so you do get really nice hotels here. You also see a lot of stray cats going about. This is a life. Now, I did a video of the 5 free things to do in Costa Adeje, and number 1 was to do a seafront walk. Now look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Now, I've never been to Caleta. It's my first time actually really exploring Costa Adeje. I have been here before, but I didn't think it was suitable for Jacqueline, and we were only here for like a couple of hours just to go and see a show, so my knowledge is quite limited. This is me just taking a wee chance to have a wee look about. Just a few hours. Jacqueline's kindly allowed me to go filming. Looks like a nice restaurant, but it costs a fortune. Oysters, $6.45. Octopus, $21.95. That's very expensive. What's the most expensive thing? Veal shanks, €62.45. I'll skip that. Now, I've been walking constantly from Los Cristianos to here. and I must say I'm really tired. To Las Palomas. Oh. Well, I thought it was going to be quite a wee walk, but this is La Caleta. We've made it. There's H10 Costa Adeje Palace. It's a 4-star hotel. So take a wee walk down here, see what we see. It looks like a volcanic ash kind of beach, all black, but we'll see. Maybe there's something lighter further up. Look at that hotel, it's beautiful. Definitely a very upmarket kind of place. Oh. Just noticed some people in the pool. I would love to jump in the pool right now, but I'm going to have to wait a couple of hours. It's going to take me a good wee while to walk back. Thank you, Jacqueline, for being patient with me. It has been a few hours out of the day, but I'm going to go and do a few more videos in Las Americas and see what's happening. Then enjoy the rest of the day. Aye, it's just all black. Look at that. This is Playa de la Enramada. There's a wee beach bar. Look at that, it's quite nice. Look at that scenery. Well everyone, I hope you've enjoyed that video. If you're thinking of coming here, let me know in the comments what you think. I think it's absolutely stunning and it's really beautiful. And just look, there's the surfers are out. Just missed them on the waves there. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share. It would really help me out. Thank you very much and see you in the next one. Bye bye.